Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best organic baking powder is probably one of the most sought-after ingredients for health-conscious bakers and those seeking to elevate their baking game. Today, we will delve into the world of organic, aluminum-free baking powder, exploring its benefits, uses, and what sets it apart from conventional baking powders. We will also look at some of the best brands available on the market, helping you make an informed decision when choosing the perfect leavening agent for your next baking project. Prepare to discover the secrets to achieving perfectly light and fluffy baked goods. Number 5. Baker's Choice Baking Powder. Get ready to experience baking like never before with our premium baking powder. It's perfect for all your baking needs, from fluffy pancakes to delicious breads. Say goodbye to baking mishaps. It's double-acting, making baking easy and foolproof, even for beginners. Enjoy consistent, delicious results every time. This versatile baking powder is perfect for a wide variety of recipes. From cakes and cookies to savory dishes, it's your secret ingredient for success. We use only the finest, high-quality ingredients. It's aluminum-free, making it a healthy choice for you and your family. Made with premium ingredients, it delivers exceptional flavor and texture to all your baked goods. Taste the difference quality makes. It's also vegan, vegetarian, and kosher, making it suitable for various dietary needs and preferences. Enjoy delicious and inclusive baking. What we like. It's perfect for various baking needs, from pancakes to breads. If you're a vegan or kosher baker seeking reliable leavening, this is a great choice. Its double-acting formula ensures consistent results, making it ideal for both everyday baking and more complex recipes. Number 4. Rumford Aluminum-Free Baking Powder. Say goodbye to aluminum and hello to perfectly fluffy baked goods. This baking powder is a must-have for every kitchen. It's made with a unique blend of ingredients to ensure consistent leavening every time. Enjoy light and airy results with every recipe. These handy canisters keep it fresh and easily accessible. No more messy spills or searching for your baking powder. This pack contains two 8.1-ounce canisters, providing plenty for all your baking needs. You'll always be prepared for your next baking adventure. From cakes and cookies to muffins and biscuits, it's the perfect choice for all your baking creations. Get ready to bake delicious treats. Trust Rumford for consistently high-quality baking powder. It's the secret ingredient to baking success. What we like. This baking powder comes in a convenient double pack, offering great value and ensuring you always have enough on hand. If you bake frequently and prefer an aluminum-free option, this is a smart choice. The double pack is perfect for those who use baking powder regularly and want to avoid running out. What people say. It gives an excellent rise to your breads, rolls, and scones. Works good and organic. I have used this for over 50 years and it has no metallic aftertaste. Number 3. Gefen Baking Powder. This baking powder is gluten-free, aluminum-free, and cornstarch-free, ensuring a delicious and healthy baking experience. It's perfect for all your baking needs, from cakes to cookies. It creates soft and tender baked goods every time. Enjoy consistent, reliable results whether you're baking or cooking. It's carefully crafted to provide excellent leavening power without aluminum, giving you peace of mind. Enjoy the pure taste of your baking. It comes in a convenient 8-ounce resealable canister, keeping it fresh and easy to use. Say goodbye to spills and messes in your pantry. We use only the highest quality ingredients, ensuring a delicious product you can trust. We make it with the same care and attention we'd use in our own kitchens. It's certified kosher for year-round use, including Passover. Enjoy this versatile baking powder for all your baking needs. What we like. It features a resealable container to maintain freshness, ensuring consistent quality for every use. If you need a gluten-free and kosher option that stays fresh, this is the one for you. The resealable container is perfect for maintaining freshness and avoiding waste. What people say. My first, upgraded ingredients, pan of cornbread just came out of the oven. I immediately dug in, and it is amazing once again. Aluminum-free is a big bonus. I'm allergic to corn and I'm so thankful this baking powder isn't cut with cornstarch. Works excellent, provides rise and quality food. My most important like is the ingredients. I require gluten-free, aluminum-free, and corn-free. I bake a lot of quick bread and this BP works excellently. Number 2. Bob's Red Mill Baking Powder, 2-pack. This baking powder is perfect for all your baking needs. It's double-acting, ensuring your baked goods rise beautifully every time. We've made it without any added aluminum, so you can feel good about using it in your recipes. Enjoy the pure taste and quality. This convenient pack contains two 14-ounce containers, giving you a total of 28 ounces of baking powder. That's plenty for all your baking projects. It's ideal for cakes, cookies, muffins, and more. It's the secret ingredient to perfectly light and fluffy baked goods. You can trust in the quality and consistency of Bob's Red Mill. It's a brand you can rely on for all your baking essentials. Order your double pack of Bob's Red Mill baking powder now and elevate your baking game. Don't miss out. What we like. This double-acting baking powder is aluminum-free and comes in a large quantity, providing excellent value for your money. If you're looking for a high-quality, aluminum-free option in a bulk size, this is a great choice. The large quantity is perfect for those who bake often and need a reliable supply. Number 1. Goldbaums Baking Powder. It's made with potato starch, sodium pyrophosphate, sodium bicarbonate, and calcium sulfate. This ensures that you get consistently great results in all your baking. It creates the fluffiest cakes, quick breads, and other baked goods naturally. Enjoy delicious treats without the aluminum. Switching to this baking powder improves the taste of your cakes, cookies, muffins, and breads. Experience the difference aluminum-free makes. Each container makes 226 servings and it's completely free of calories, cholesterol, and carbohydrates. Enjoy guilt-free baking. All ingredients and processes are certified kosher for Passover. It provides higher quality and increased food safety for your holiday baking. It's certified gluten-free, so it's perfect for those with dietary restrictions. Enjoy delicious baked goods without worry. What we like. It's a premium baking powder that's aluminum-free, gluten-free, and contains 0 calories. If you are looking for a healthy and high-quality baking powder that doesn't compromise on taste, this is your best bet. Its unique features make it perfect for health-conscious bakers who prioritize quality and taste. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.